Hey groomers, Tyler here at Summit Sharpening, going to be unboxing this bespoke clipper and giving you some more information on it. So first thing I notice, it comes in a nice box. Smokey wants to come check it out, right? Yeah. Alright, so let's get to it. Oh, this is nice. Comes with a soft case with a zipper on it. For you folks that move around. I like that. It's a good idea. So this clipper retails for $4.85. It's Andis's new clipper. When you open it up, you get some pamphlets, just some paperwork, information, and a bunch of cool stickers. You can decorate your shop. Okay, first thing I notice is it does come with an extra battery. Battery's already installed. Comes with a ceramic 10 blade. Ooh, I like the way this looks. So the weight is pretty much right in the middle there, so that's nice. They weighted it out okay. It does say on the button to fully charge it. I don't know if you could see that or not, but I already did. I opened it up already. So we're just gonna remove that real quick, set it aside, and turn it on. I've never turned it on yet, so. How do you? Oh, so I couldn't figure out how to turn it on. There's a button here. I had to hold it down. I think it actually, yeah, that's actually a really neat feature. So let me try this again, and then this one goes through the speeds. The speeds on it, so it can go up to 4,500, which is what you guys like, and it is quiet. Nice and quiet. But the feature I found that's pretty neat is if you hold this down, see that? That locks it. So if you are a travel groomer, it won't turn on now. You actually have to press it down for a few seconds and it turns on. I like that feature. That way it doesn't accidentally turn on in your case and burn out batteries or blades. Because we all oil every 10 minutes of use with our blades anyway. So if your clipper turns on in your backpack or whatnot and it's running for an hour, we don't want that. So the battery does come out somehow. Oh. It almost feels, I don't know what it's clipping into. A little clip. Yeah, it seems like it just slapped. Oh. You can't really see it, but there's a little indent here, and that's what releases the battery. It doesn't just slide out. It actually does click in with a button, so that's good. The other cool thing I found with these, they are wireless charging. So if you look at the back, it's kind of like how your cell phone works. There's this little Andis dial there. That goes right on this Andis here. And it's magnetic. I don't think you guys can tell that. But yeah, you see that, how it sticks together? So it is magnetic, it's pretty neat. That way, hopefully it'll keep charging and you won't have the problem with it not charging. I don't know if you can charge just the battery. You might be able to. I have to research that more. But you can charge the clipper while it's on this wireless charger. And up here, I didn't even show you guys this wonderful case. So this is what the case looks like. Spot for, you know, an extra battery even. See up top? So when you do travel or whatnot, I do recommend taking, especially if you're flying, take these batteries off. Don't leave them in your clipper, and that's how you want to travel with it, even though it has that sweet travel lock. Oh, and then there's some fun stuff up here. Okay. Oh, a base for the charger? Or maybe that just helps the clipper sit on better. Yeah, that's probably what that is. Place on top a charging mat to aid in battery placement on the mat. So that's cool they thought of that. It's a rubber thing. And some instructions. Oil every 10 minutes of use. Comes with some lubricating oil. This is for your blades. This is not for the clipper. This is for blades. Same brush to clean out your clippers and blades and whatnot. And some heavy stuff. Okay, what's this? Oh, it comes with an extra blade drive. That's smart. Very smart, Andis. And then some clip combs. What do we got here? Looks like we got a 6mm 1/4 inch, 13mm 1/2 inch, and then a 3/4 and 1 inch. And these feel pretty heavy duty. That's nice. It comes with a set of clip combs. So that's pretty much it. I miss anything? Oh, everyone always wants to know weights. This clipper weighs 16.6 ounces, which is right around all the other clippers. They're usually right around a pound. And like I said, this one feels balanced decently well. Maybe a little back heavy, which might be nice when you're actually grooming. That way it's taking a little bit of pressure off of here, weighting it back here when you're going through the coat. So instead of it feeling so forward heavy, so the battery's in the back, so it kind of evens that out. I think. You guys let me know. And yeah, 4,500 strokes per minute, which is fast. That's what most groomers like. And yeah, so seems like a pretty nifty clipper. Some new things on it with the wireless charging. We've never seen that before. The plug does come out, you know. So if anything happens to the cord or anything, get a replacement. And that could just sit in the side there. So I like the case. The clipper looks beautiful. It feels nice, runs quiet, has some cool features that we've never seen before. So if you own this clipper, please comment what your thoughts are about it and let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps some of you. And be sure to, next time you're at a dog show, check this clipper out because it's interesting. It's a different, the wireless charging blows my mind. That's pretty cool because then you don't have to mess around with connections if they go bad or whatnot. So we'll see how long the wireless charger lasts, but I'm hoping Andis knocked it out of the park with this thing. The Emerge is also really cool, but it's very similar to this, just no removable battery, and I don't believe that has a wireless charger. So next time you're at a show, check it out, get it in your hands, let me know what you think, and if you own it, please let me know. If you're another sharpener and you repair them, let me know. I just got it, wanted to show people about it. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.